Hello students, welcome to YouTube channel of Aksar Education. In this video we are going to discuss additional practice sums based on volume of the solids. So let's start with question number 1. Here a solid is in the form of cylinder. A solid is in the form of cylinder with hemispherical ends. So this is one cylinder with hemispherical ends. So two hemispheres are at the end of cylinder. The total height of the solid is 19 centimeter. This is the total height of the solid. So total height of the solid is 19 centimeter. 19 centimeter, and the diameter of the cylinder is 7 centimeter. Diameter of the cylinder is 7 centimeter. Find the volume and the surface area of the solid. We have to find volume and surface area. Volume and surface area of the solid. This is the question. Done. So two objects are there. It's a combination of two solids, cylinder and hemisphere. Cylinder and hemisphere. And to find the volume, we have to perform the addition of volume of cylinder plus volume of these two hemisphere. So to find the volume, we require radius as well as height. Radius as well as height of this cylinder and radius of this hemisphere. So radius of the hemisphere is nothing but the radius of cylinder. So it's a common radius. So here you can write radius of cylinder. Radius of cylinder is nothing but the radius of hemisphere. Radius of hemisphere, it's a common radius. So we will use notation R for the radius, and that R will be half of the diameter. It's a 7/2 centimeter. Now the height of the cylinder is nothing but the h. This is h, that is height of the cylinder. So height of the cylinder h is nothing but the total height minus total height of this solid is 19 centimeter. 19 centimeter minus, we have to subtract this radius as well as this radius. So we have to subtract two radius, that is 7/2. So 19 minus 7 is equal to 12 centimeter is the height of the cylinder. And obvious, this will be 12 centimeter. This radius is 7/2, 3.5 centimeter, and this radius is 3.5 centimeter. So total height will be 19 centimeter. Done. Height is there, radius is there. So now we can find the volume of solid. So now volume of solid is nothing but the sum of volume of cylinder plus twice of volume of hemisphere. Twice of volume of hemisphere. Twice of volume of hemisphere. So volume of cylinder is nothing but the pi r square h plus twice of volume of hemisphere is 2/3 pi r cube. So here we can take this pi r square and 4/3 pi r cube. So we can take this pi r square as a common. So remaining terms are h plus 2 2s are 4/3 r. Put the values. Pi equal to 22/7. R is the radius, 7/2. So 7/2 into 7/2 into h plus 12 plus 4/3 into r, 7/2. So simplify this 7 cut, 2 11s are, so it's a 77/2. Here this 3 will not cut. 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14/3. 12 plus 14/3. So 12 3s are 36 plus 4, 36 plus 14, 50 by 3. So it's a 77 by 2 into 36 plus 14, 50 by 3, 50 by 3. So perform this multiplication and divide it by 6. So we will get the answer 641.67 centimeter cube is the volume of the given solid. Done. This is your first answer. Find the volume. Then we have to find the surface area. So now surface area. So we can say total surface area. Total surface area of this solid. So what is the total surface area of this solid? So total surface area of the solid is nothing but the curved surface area of this cylinder plus curved surface area of this hemisphere 1 plus curved surface area of this hemisphere 2. So it's a curved surface area of cylinder plus 2 into curved surface area of one hemisphere. So it's a curved surface area of cylinder plus twice into curved surface area of hemisphere, curved surface area of hemisphere. So it's a 2 pi RH plus 2 into curved surface area of hemisphere. It's a 2 pi r square. So 2 pi RH plus 4 pi r square. So here you can take this 2 pi r common, h plus 2r, डन. ये नोट आउट कर दो, उसके बाद मैं उसको रफ कर रहा हूँ, है ना. ये नोट आउट कर दो. डन हो गया नोट डाउन. चलो इसको मैंने कर दिया इरेज. वीडियो पॉज करना है और नोट डाउन कर देना है, उसके बाद कंटिन्यू कर देना है. सो इट्स ए 2 pi r. सो 2 into 22 by 7, radius r, 7 by 2, height h of the cylinder 12 plus 2 into 7 by 2, 7 cut, 2 cut. So it's a 22 into 19. So 19 2s are 38 plus 3, 41 centimeter square. 418 centimeter square is the surface area of this solid. Clear students? 4 mark question is there. Write down the question and then you have to write the solution. Done. Pause the video and note it down. Okay, now question number 2. A conical tent is to accommodate 11 persons. 11 persons can be accommodated in a conical tent. Each person must have 4 square meter of space on the ground. Each person must have 4 square meter of space on ground and 20 meter cube of air to breathe. Find the height of the cone. We have to find the height of the conical tent. So here a conical tent is given. So this is the shape of conical tent. So for conical tent we require 3 dimensions: height, slant height and radius r. So here instead of giving these dimensions, what we are given, this conical tent can accommodate 11 person. So number of person can accommodate, number of persons accommodate. So number of person can accommodate in the conical tent is 11. So total 11 person can be accommodated in the tent. So each person must have 4 square meter of space on the ground. So space on the ground is nothing but the area of this base. So base is in the shape of circle with radius r. So it's a pi r square. So area of the base, we can say area of base of tent. Area of base of the tent, 11 persons are there and that 11 person can occupy 4 square meter. So it's a 44 square meter is the area of base. Area of base is nothing but the circle with radius r, so that is nothing but the pi r square. So now we are getting first equation, area of base, which is pi r square equal to 44. Question is find the height of the cone. Here you have to find the height of the cone. Done. So from this equation we can find the value of r. So it's a 22 by 7 into r square equal to 44. So this will be equal to, this implies r square equal to 44 into 7 divided by 22. 22 2s are 44. So r square equal to 14, or r equal to root 14 centimeter. R equal to root 14 centimeter. Or you can take this result as a result number 1 as it is. ये calculation नहीं करना है तो. Now also we are given each person must have 20 meter cube of air to breathe. So 11 person, or we can say volume of air required. So volume of air, that is the nothing but the volume of conical tent, which is 1 by 3 pi r cube, 1 by 3 pi r cube h, 1 by 3 pi r square h, and that is equal to 11 person, and each person require the volume of 20 meter cube. This much the volume of tent. So it's a 1 by 3 pi r square h equal to 220. Say this one as the result number 2. So now you can put this r square equal to 14 over there, or you can put this pi r square equal to 44 over here. Done. So simplest one is put this pi r square equal to 44 in this equation. So no requirement of this calculation, no requirement of this calculation. It will increase calculation. So put this value of pi r square over here. So it's a 1 by 3 pi r square is 44 into h equal to 220. So our h is 220 into 3 upon 44. So now it's 11 4s are 44, 11 2s are 22, and 0 4 5s are 20. So height h equal to 15 centimeter. The height of this conical tent is nothing but the, not centimeter, meter. Dimensions are given in meter. So height of this conical tent is nothing but the 15 meter. Simple. This is 3 mark question. Pause the video and note it down. Question number 3. A very good question is there. The sum of radius of base and the height of solid cylinder is 37 centimeter. Radius of base and height of the solid cylinder is 37 centimeter. Solid cylinder is there. So this is our given solid cylinder. This is a cylinder. So radius of base and height of the cylinders are h and r. So radius. So here radius of base of cylinder is nothing but the radius of top of the cylinder, and height will be h. So sum of this radius and height is given. So r plus h equal to 37 centimeter is given. If the total surface area of the solid cylinder is, total surface area TSA, total surface area of cylinder is 1628 centimeter square, find the volume of cylinder. Find the volume of the cylinder. Here you have to take pi equal to 22 by 7. Done. So let's start with the given total surface area. So now what is the formula of total surface area of cylinder? Total surface area of cylinder is nothing but the 2 pi r in the bracket h plus r. So here h plus r given, sum of radius of base and height of solid cylinder is given 37 and total surface area is given 1628. Put these values over here. So it's a 1628 equal to 2 pi r, h plus r is 37, and also you can put pi equal to 22 by 7. Put in next step. 1628 equal to 2 into pi 22 by 7 into r into 37. Done. Simplify this, you will get the value of r. So r equal to this one is 1628 into 7 divided by 2 into 22 into 37. Divided by 2, 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. Again divided by 11, 11 2s are 22, 11 7s are 77, 11 4s are 44, 2 37s are 37 cut. So r is nothing but the 7 centimeter. R is nothing but the 7 centimeter, and r plus h is 37, so h will be, so now put in equation 1. Equation 1 is r plus h equal to 37, r equal to 7, so it's a 7 plus h equal to 37. So height of the cylinder is 37 minus 7 will be equal to 30 centimeter. So r is there, h is there. So now we can find the volume of this cylinder. So next step, volume. So volume of this cylinder is nothing but the pi r square h. Putting value of pi 22 by 7, value of r is 7. Here r square is there, so 7 into 7 into h is 30. So put 30, h equal to 30. Simplification, 7 will be cut. 7 2s are 14, 154 multiply by 30. 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15 plus 1 16, 3 1s are 3 plus 1 4, and 0 centimeter cube is the volume. 4620 centimeter cube is the volume of this cylinder. Clear, students? Again pause the video and note it down. So students, now question number 4. Here the circumference of the edge of hemispherical bowl is 132 centimeter. Find the capacity of the bowl. So hemispherical bowl is given. So consider this is our hemispherical bowl. Circumference of the edge. So this is circumference of the edge. So this is hemispherical bowl whose top is in the form of circle with radius r. So here circumference of edge of the hemispherical bowl is 132 centimeter. So this circumference is nothing but the circular in shape with radius r. So circumference is nothing but the 2 pi r, and that is equal to 132. So here find the capacity of the bowl. So for that we will find the value of radius. So put the value of pi 22 by 7 into r equal to 132. Therefore this one is r equal to 132. This 7 go into multiplication, and this 2 and 22 will go into division. Cutting, 11 2s are 22, 11 1s are 11, and 11 2s are 22. 2 2s are 4, 3s are 12. So r is nothing but the 21 centimeter. The radius of this hemispherical bowl is nothing but the 21 centimeter. So now we can find the capacity. So now for capacity, so capacity of bowl which is hemispherical in the shape, so it's a 2 by 3 pi r cube. It's a 2 by 3 pi 22 by 7, r cube, it's a 21 cube, so it's a 21 into 21 into 21, 7 3s are 21 cut, so it's a 44 into 441, so multiplication is 19404 centimeter cube. This is the volume of hemispherical bowl. Clear students? Same question, question number 5. Here the circumference of base of 9 meter high wooden solid cone is 44 meter. A wooden solid cone is given. So this is solid cone whose height is 9 meter. Here height of the cone is 9 meter and circumference of base of cone, circumference of the base of the cone is 44 meter. This is 44 meter. The radius of base of cone is r and the radius of base of the cone is circular in shape with radius r. So it's a 2 pi r. Circumference is nothing but the 2 pi r equal to 44. Put the value of pi, so 22 by 7 into r equal to 44. So our r is 44 into 7 divided by 22 to the 44 cut. So r equal to 7 meter. The radius of base of cone is 7 meter. Question is find the volume of cone. So now volume of cone, volume of right circular cone is formula, it's a 1 by 3 pi r square h, 1 by 3 pi 22 by 7 r square, radius is 7, so 7 into 7 into height h, which is 9. This is equal to 7 7 cut, 3 3s are 9, so 22 into 21. So multiplication is 22 to the 42, 22 to the 42 plus 4, 46 meter cube. This is the volume of wooden solid cone. Clear students? Pause the video and note it down. The base radii of two right circular cones of the same height, two right circular cone with same height and different radius are given. So this is radius r1, height h, and another cone with radius r2 and height h. Two right circular cones with the same height are in the ratio 3:5. The base radius of two right circular cones of the same height are in the ratio 3:5. Find the ratio of their volume. Here we have to find the ratio of volume of cone 1 and cone 2. Done? So now what we are given? Ratio of radii of these two cones, r1 ratio r2 is given. Let's say this is equal to 3:5 and that is equal to x, that we are assuming. Let so radius r1 will be equal to 3x and radius of cone 2, that is r2, that will be equal to 5x. Done? And here height of these both cones are equal, that is equal to h. So now we have to find the ratio of their volumes. So v1 by v2. So volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h, pi r1 square by h, and this is again 1 by 3 pi r2 square by h. Done? So this one v1 by v2 equal to 1 by 3 cut, h cut, pi cut. So it's a r1 square upon r2 square. So r1 is 3x whole square upon r2 square, which is 5x whole square. So 3x square is 9x square and 5x is 25x square. X square cut. So this ratio is 9 by 25. So ratio of their volumes V1 ratio V2, that is equal to 9:25 is the answer. The ratio of the volumes of these two cones having the same height and radius in the ratio of 3:5 is 9:5 is the answer. Clear? Now next question, question number 7. What is the ratio of the volumes of the cylinder, cone and sphere if each has the same diameter and the same height? So three solids are given: cylinder, having height h, radius r; cone, right circular cone with height h, radius r; and sphere with radius r. So height are equal and the same diameter. So diameter is equal to height. Done. So here height of this sphere h equal to 2r. Here diameter is equal to height. So again h equal to 2r, h equal to 2r. So here you have to find the ratio of their volumes. So here volume 1 of this cylinder, pi r square h, that is equal to let it be as it is. So it's a 1/3 pi r square h, and this one is 4/3 pi r cube. Here we can replace this height h as a 2r because height and diameter are equal. So height h equal to 2r. So here we can replace h equal to 2r. So say this one is a v1 equal to pi r square, h equal to 2r. So it's a 2 pi r cube. So this is volume v2. So it's a 1/3 pi r square 2r. So it's a 1/3 pi, 2 multiplication में आएगा. So 2/3 pi r cube, and this one is volume 3, 4/3 pi r cube. So what is the ratio of these three volumes? This is V1. Say this is V1, V2 and V3. So ratio of their volume. So this is the ratio of their volume. We can cut out the equal quantities. R cube is common, pi is common. So this will be 2 ratio 2/3 ratio 4/3. Again we can divide by 2. So it's a divide this ratio with 2. So it's a 1 ratio 1/3 ratio 2/3, and again multiply this ratio with 3. So we are getting 3 ratio 1 ratio 2. This is the ratio of their volume. 3 ratio 1 ratio 2 is the answer. Clear students? Pause the video and note it down.